Oh my God, I'm so scared. You see them? That's like, oh God.
You ready? Damn, I'm open the camera.
Is that
Well, I recently let her cut my hair, so it's time for me to cut her hair.
I cut your hair?
Yeah, you got the video. You cut it before.
Don't. Wait. Back up. I gotta be able to see. See, you pulled it, but I'm saying you pulled it.
I didn't pull it. All I did was
But I'm saying you stretched it to where you're gonna have to cut more because you stretched it down.
I didn't stretch it down, Steph.
Yes, you did.
Literally, all I did was grab it.
And you pulled it. Now you're gonna have to cut hella. I wanted it to be in its natural where it's.
I did not pull.
I saw you.
We can rewind it.
Don't pull it. Wait. Back up. I gotta be able to see.
I didn't pull it. You had to contact there. I did not pull it.
I wanted you to just cut it naturally where it was too long at, but now you done pulled it out of place. Oh, Jesus. Tyson, come on. I can't cut it myself.
You let me do it or not?
Yes, come on.
Stop with this damn acting weird. You asked me to do this. I didn't ask you to do this.
Just cut it even to like the other ones. Wait, you gotta move so that they can see it. Like you're blocking it because your clothes is so dark. Oh my God, let me see it. That's a lot. Like, when you stretch it, that's some inches. Oh, Jesus. It's some more.
So you want these all to match these ones?
At the bottom layer.
So I'm saying, like, it's not, as soon as I touch it, you be like, ah. But the way it is, it's not really.
Don't pull it. Just cut it where it's at. Like, don't pull them.
I just want to know which ones you want it to be matching with. These ones down here, up here, because these ones are like it's hella different levels.
Like the ones that look out of place.
All right. Okay.
Are you already cutting?
Oh, I didn't cut again.
I'm scared.
Because you're being very nervous about it.
Because you acting like you can't tell. Okay, so you see this side over here? Cut them ones to match this side over here. Sorry, I keep trying to look. Okay, go. Oh God, Tyson. These scissors is trash. Jocelyn gonna be so mad. It's still one more.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, that one right there. Get that. Is it done?
Check it out in the mirror. I need to probably cut like that much.
Okay, you doing a lot now. Tyson cutting all my hair off. Dang, now them pieces right here look up. Look, you know what? That's it. It's enough. Let me see all the hair. Well, that's all of it. I really need to shape my hair, but I feel like if I go in with the scissors, it's gonna get crazy. Those scissors were trash and I probably shouldn't have used them. I'm gonna insert a picture of the shape that I want and y'all let me know. But yeah, I definitely need to go ahead and get in with my stylist and get a full cut, but that just couldn't wait. So I think it's pretty good from what it was, and I could get a full correct cut later. And yeah, if I make this into a whole video, I will see you guys in the next video. Comment down below what you guys think of the haircut that I want, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.